So find the derivative of constant k with respect to x from first principal here. Find the derivative of this one with respect to x from first principal. Here k is a constant here. Okay, therefore to take your definition here, f dash of x is equal to limit of f of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h as h tending to 0. This is a definition here. Then this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. When x is replaced by x plus h, f of x plus h is a constant k only, because k is a constant here. Again f of x is equal to k divided by h. Okay, because when x changes, k does not change here, it remains the same. I am explaining one example. By taking one example, ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. y is equal to x square ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಈಗ x ಮತ್ತು y ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೌದಾ. x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. when x is 1, y is also 1 here. when x is 2 here, then 2 square becomes 4, y is equal to 4. when x is 3, then 3 square is 9 here. So when x changes, y also changes here. When x changes, y also changes. Take one example here, one more example. Y is equal to 5. Okay, take care x and y here. Therefore here only 5 is there. When x is 1, there is no any x here, x term. Therefore y is 5 only. When x is 2, in that case again y is 5. When x is 3, again y is 5 only. Means it is a constant here. When x changes, y does not change here, it remains a constant only. Therefore here f of x is equal to k constant here. In that case f of x plus h is k, f of x is also k only. Okay, then k minus k becomes 0 here. Limit of h tending to 0, and this becomes 0. Limit of 0 is 0. Therefore differentiation of constant here, d by dx of constant is always 0 here. Remember it here. Differentiation of constant is always 0. So find the derivative of x cube minus 27 with respect to x from first principal here. Therefore you know this definition here. Then this is equal to limit of as h tending to 0 here. Then replace here x by this x plus h here. X plus h whole cube minus 27 here. So right here minus 27. Here this is f of x plus h here. Minus, right here minus. F of x is there. F of x is this one here. So x cube minus of 27 here. Okay, complete divided by h here. Divided by h. Take this minus inside the bracket here and expand this one here. Use a plus b whole cube here. You know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. This is the formula. You can take 3ab inside the bracket here. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square here. So use here. Therefore this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. Okay, therefore x cube plus h cube here, then plus 3x square h plus 3x h square here. Okay, minus 27 here, right here minus 27, minus of x cube, minus into minus plus 27 4 divided by h here. 4 divided by h. Then x cube, this x cube cancels here. Minus 27 plus 27 get cancels. Then from these three terms, h is the common factor here. Limit of h tending to 0. Then h is the common factor here, h square plus 3x square plus 3x h divided by h. Then this h and this h get cancels here. Okay. Then direct substitute h value 0 here. Therefore this is equal to put h value 0. So 0 square plus 3x square here plus 3x into 0. Therefore this becomes 0 here. This is also 0. Remaining is what here? 3x square here. Therefore x cube minus 27 differentiation is 3x square here. Okay. So this is the answer here. Here find the derivative of x minus 1 into x minus 2 here. So f of x equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2. Multiplier x into x becomes x square here. X into minus 2x, minus 1 into x minus x here. So minus of 3x. Minus 1 into minus 2 becomes plus 2x. X square minus 3x plus 2. So this is a definition here. So this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. F of x plus h here. So just replace here x by x plus h. Therefore x plus h whole square minus 3 into x plus h here. Minus 3 into x plus h plus 2. Right in the bracket here. Minus of f of x is this function here. So x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by h or divided by h. Therefore this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. X plus h whole square gives x square plus h square plus 2x into h. Take a minus 3 inside the bracket here. Minus 3x minus of 3h plus 2. Take this minus inside here. Minus x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by h. Divided by h. Then x square, this x square cancels here. Then plus 2 minus 2 get cancels. And minus 3x plus 3x cancels here. Therefore this equal to limit of h tending to 0. From these terms here, h is the common factor. So write h outside here. So remaining of the h plus 2x and minus of 3 divided by h. Then this h it cancels here. Put h is equal to 0. Therefore this equal to 0 plus 2x minus of 3. Therefore the answer is 2x minus of 3. So differentiation of x minus 1 into x minus 2 means after simplification we get this function here. Then its differentiation is 2x minus 3. This is the answer here. So find the derivative of 1 upon x square here. Therefore this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. F of x plus h. So replace x by x plus h here. So 1 divided by x plus h. It's a square here. Minus f of x is 1 divided by x square. 4 divided by this h here. 4 divided by h. Then this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. So write this h as it is here. Then LCM is x plus h whole square into x square. X plus h whole square into x square here. Multiply x square here. 1 into x square becomes x square. Minus of this into 1 becomes x plus h whole square here. Take these terms to denominator here. Therefore, this is equal to limit of h tending to 0 here. Then write here x square minus of x plus h whole square x square plus h square plus 2x into h divided by x plus h whole square into x square. X plus h whole square into x square into h. Take this minus inside the bracket here. Therefore, this is equal to limit of h tending to 0 here. Then write here x square minus of x square minus h square minus 2x into h divided by x plus h whole square into x square into h. Then x square, this minus x square get cancels here. Then take here h common factor. Therefore, this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. Therefore, h right outside here minus h minus of 2x here whole divided by x plus h whole square into x square into h here. This h and this h get cancels here. Now you substitute h is equal to 0 here. Therefore, this is equal to minus of 0 minus of 2x divided by x plus 0. It's a square into x square. Therefore, minus 0 minus 2x is a minus of 2x divided by then x square into x square. X raised to 4 here. X square into x square becomes x raised to 4. X and 1x cancels here. Minus 2 divided by x cube. Okay, therefore 1 by x square differentiation is minus 2 divided by x cube here. This is the answer here. So find the derivative of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 here. Limit of h tending to 0, f of x plus h. So replace x by x plus h here. X plus h plus 1 divided by x plus h minus 1 here minus f of x is this one here. X plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole divided by h. Whole divided by h. Then here LCM is x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 here. Therefore, this is equal to limit as h tending to 0. Then write this h here. Here LCM is this into this here. X plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 here. Then multiply this x minus 1 here. X plus h plus 1 into x minus 1 minus of this into this term here. X plus h plus 1 minus 1 here. So right here minus of 1 into x plus 1 here. Okay. Then take these two terms to denominator here. Therefore, this is equal to limit of h tending to 0. Then write here x plus h minus 1. X plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 into this h into h. Then multiply these terms here. X into x becomes x square. X into h into x, hx here. Then 1 into x becomes x. X into minus 1 is minus of x here. H into minus 1 is minus h Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 here. Write the terms in the bracket here. Then minus of x into x, x square, h into x, so hx here. Minus 1 into x, minus of x. 1 into x is x here, plus x. Then h into 1 becomes h, plus h. Minus 1 into 1 is minus of 1 here. Then plus x, minus x cancels here. Then similarly, minus x and plus x cancels. Therefore, this is equal to limit as h tending to 0. Then write here x square plus h into x, hx here. Then the minus h, minus 1 here. Take a minus inside the bracket. Minus of x square, minus of h into x here, and minus h. Minus h, minus into minus becomes a plus 1 here, divided by x minus h, x plus h, x plus h, minus 1 into x minus 1 into h. Then x square minus x square cancels, minus 1 plus 1 cancels here. Even hx and minus hx get cancels. Minus h is a minus 2h here. Limit of h tending to 0. So minus of 2h divided by x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 into h. Then this h and this h cancels here. Put h equal to 0 here. Therefore this equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 0 minus 1 into x minus 1 here. Therefore this is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1 becomes x minus 1 x square here. Therefore its differentiation is minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square here. So this is the answer.